Here's everything you need to know before buying Simvoly. Stick around because there are some important details you won't want to miss, especially if you're comparing it to competitors like Wix, Squarespace, or ClickFunnels. First up, Simvoly is known for its simplicity. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. But compared to competitors like Wix, it doesn't offer as much design flexibility for advanced users who want total creative control. Next, Simvoly stands out for its built-in sales funnels. While ClickFunnels is the go-to for funnel building, Simvoly provides similar tools at a fraction of the cost. However, the templates are somewhat limited, so customization can feel restrictive. The third thing is pricing. Simvoly is competitively priced, starting lower than many of its competitors. But keep in mind, the cheapest plan lacks some critical features like advanced analytics and A/B testing, which may be deal breakers for scaling businesses. Fourth, their drag and drop editor is intuitive but not as robust as platforms like Squarespace. For users who need pixel-perfect precision, this could be a downside. On the flip side, it's faster to build pages if you don't need intricate design options. Another key point is their integration options. Simvoly supports essential tools like Zapier and Stripe, but it's not as versatile as platforms like WordPress, which offers thousands of plugins. If you need a highly integrated ecosystem, this might feel limiting. Next thing, Simvoly excels in speed. Websites built with Simvoly tend to load faster than those on many other platforms, which is great for user experience and SEO. However, you won't find the same level of SEO tools that Squarespace or WordPress provides. Seventh, their e-commerce functionality is decent, but not market-leading. It's perfect for small businesses selling a few products, but if you're planning a large-scale online store, Shopify is a better alternative. Another consideration is customer support. Simvoly offers live chat and email support, but it doesn't have the extensive documentation or 24/7 help you'd get with bigger platforms like Wix or Shopify. Ninth, their mobile responsiveness is solid. Templates adapt well to different devices, but there's no advanced mobile editing. If you want to customize your mobile layout extensively, other platforms might serve you better. One unique feature is their white label solution. If you're an agency looking to create branded websites for clients, Simvoly's white label option can be a game changer. Competitors like Wix don't offer this in the same way. Next thing, they don't have as many third-party templates or community resources. If you like the idea of a vibrant ecosystem of creators and developers, you may find Simvoly's community smaller than platforms like WordPress. Finally, Simvoly is an all-in-one platform. For small businesses or solopreneurs, this makes managing everything easier, but the trade-off is fewer advanced features compared to specialized tools like ClickFunnels for sales funnels or Shopify for e-commerce. In summary, Simvoly is a strong contender if you're looking for simplicity, speed, and an affordable funnel building solution. But if you want more flexibility, integrations, or scalability, you might prefer other options. Speaking of which, if you're interested in a better alternative, check out our recommended solution, free to try and packed with the features you need.